Unit 39. Taking the train. You're so lucky, Marion. You're leaving for Hawaii in 5 hours. I never travel because I hate flying in airplanes. I don't like buses either.
That doesn't matter, Dean. There are other ways to get around. You should take the train somewhere.
That's true. It's been a long time since I last traveled. I've always wanted to take a long train trip.
What's stopping you? Go to the travel agent now and ask about train trips.
What do you think the fares are like?
I'm not sure what train fares are like now. I think it depends on your destination. That's a question you'll have to ask a travel agent.
Can you suggest a good person to talk to?
My travel agent is always very helpful. Here is his phone number.
Thanks. I'll call him right now. Where's the phone?